If marketing your business effectively has been a thorn in your side for far too long, I want to introduce you to Advertising for Beginners. It is the only program engineered and designed to get you results that work fast, drive revenue, and work long term. I'm going to tell you exactly how in just the next couple minutes. Now, what we're going to cover in Advertising for Beginners is the fundamentals of truly great advertising. I've been in this space for over 14 years, and this is the condensed best practices that we've used to scale over 1,800 different businesses over the course of that time using Facebook ads, email, and Google ads. We are also going to teach you how to get a win before you even start your first marketing campaign, and also how to create sustainable growth within your online marketing ecosystem, whether that's Facebook ads and Google ads or YouTube or email or TikTok, you name it. We are going to teach you exactly how to create sustainable growth within your own ecosystem that you can develop once you've completed the program. Now, this is truly for people who are new to the world of internet marketing or digital marketing, specifically, business owners who have struggled to understand, implement, or find success with digital marketing in theory or practice. It is complicated, but we really do our best to simplify each concept and each task and each thing you should really be looking at on a daily basis to know whether or not your marketing is actually working. And most importantly, we are here to teach business owners who are tired of being taken advantage of by agencies who promise the world and underdeliver so that you can finally hold them accountable for what was promised at the beginning, or alternatively, how to actually manage and hold your own internal team accountable as well. Now, I started this program to give a sense of confidence to as many people as possible and to give them fundamental understandings of digital marketing and how they work, because knowing is half the battle. So in educating business owners on how to make their offer more compelling, it will also allow you to make more money in the process. And it will also put the power back in your hands, whether you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, or just trying to get your first business off the ground, so that you never have to be burned by an agency or burned by an agency ever again. Now, again, what makes me qualified to teach you? I've been in the space for over 14 years. I've been a top 100 Facebook marketer for 6 of the last 12 years when it comes to running Facebook ads. We're also partnered with almost every single marketing platform and tool in the space, whether that's Perspective if you're building funnels, Go High Level, Facebook ads partner, Google ads partner, TikTok ads partner, Klaviyo partner, you name it. We are partnered with the biggest names in the space because we are great at what we do on an agency level. We've also generated over $220 million, not only for our agency clients, but also our own businesses being factored into that as well. And you're going to see exactly why here in a few minutes. One of our best case studies was one-of-one funding. We launched the company's marketing November 1st, 2023, and they had a goal of achieving $3 million in top line revenue in the first 12 months of operating. In just the first 6 months, we drove over $2.1 million in revenue at over a 7x return with Facebook ads. We drew over $3 million with email using 3 automations and a regular campaign cadence, and over $1.1 million with Google ads, just running the most fundamental Google strategies there are. And we got a 5.5x, actually better than a 5.5x return in doing so. This is literally the goal. The goal that we have for you is to be able to achieve these same results that we've used and gotten boiled down to frameworks that work across every niche, industry, and vertical there is, so that you can have truly great advertising for your business. So I want to give you the confidence to market your business effectively without constantly second guessing yourself. Whenever you're a new person to anything, you are more than likely to suck, but we try and take the suck out of it. You're taking 14 years, going on 15 years of every single long road that we've had to take, and you are cutting the learning curve to learning all of this in just a handful of hours. And arguably the most important thing out of that is that you are going to be able to identify problems within your marketing effectively so that you can hold the appropriate person, people, or team accountable to do better. My promise to you is that if you are not personally more confident when it comes to advertising your business effectively after completing the program, I will personally work with you to give you the best chance of success possible or your money back. Of course, terms and conditions do apply. If you have a shitty business like you're trying to sell snow in the desert, it's not going to happen. That's just bad business. But if you do have a business we believe in, we will work with you one-on-one to make sure that you can see the success that you truly deserve in taking the program. If you are ready to hop in and get started, I want you to click the link above or below this video and enter the program and start right now, because you could get through it in just a handful of hours and you'll be better off for it. I'll see you on the inside.